Hiro-san!
Hey, good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you. We have a really beautiful dish coming up. I can't wait to see how it's going to get done. Hiro-san, what are we making today?
So today I'm going to making ume soba roll
Okay.
with salmon.
Okay. All right, very good. Let's talk about the ingredients, Hiro.
Yes. So this one.
Bakkafrost Salmon again. Thank you so much, Bakkafrost Salmon, for sending the salmon to us. All right, Hiro-san, what else is here?
And then this is second main ingredient, right after salmon. Ume soba.
And this is pink in color.
Yes.
And the flavor, I was reading it, it's got plum in it.
Pink.
Okay.
Yes. So then I'm gonna use oba.
Okay.
And this is the plum paste. And then kaiware.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So first thing, I'm gonna do noodle. But everything after cook, I wanna keep it straight. So I just wanna use this rubber band.
Oh, the trick, right?
Yes. Like that.
Okay.
Then start to cook. Okay, noodle is ready. Okay, taking out from the and then keep into the ice water. Then making all the way cooling down. Okay, noodle is get cooling down already. This is kind of interesting.
Looks like a mop head.
Yeah, okay. So just straighten up like this.
Okay.
Just take a squeezing out the water. Okay, this is good. Ready to go. First one, cut off the edge. And then put this one. Then kaiware. Yes. Now, then I'm gonna put a little bit of plum paste. Okay. So now I'm going to roll it up. So I'm gonna use another plastic. I'm gonna take it off this one. Both sides. I'm gonna take it off. And then cut into that's all. Anyway, cut into the half. Yeah, 8 pieces is okay. You wanna see the face?
Yeah. Look. Oh wow. Look at that. Beautiful, Hiro. Really nice. All right.
I made it before too. This is a soba dipping sauce.
Okay.
This is a 4 ichiban dashi, 1 part of the soy sauce and 1 part of the mirin. Once you start boiling up, then make it cooling down.
Okay. So dipping
So
sauce.
I'm
Huh?
gonna serve with this one.
Look at this beautiful roll. Love the colors. Love the way you put it together, Hiro. Almost too beautiful to eat. But you know, we got to give it a try later. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you very
Guys, like
much.
this video at home, give it a thumbs up. Comment below, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Tell us, what do you want to see Hiro doing next? Maybe something similar. Hiro, thank you.
Thank you very much. See you next time.
Right, Hiro, to the tasting part. Take a look at this. Like I said earlier, this is almost too beautiful to eat, Hiro. Wow. All right, enjoy.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try with this
Okay.
sauce. Of course, wasabi soy sauce is good too. Okay.
Yeah.
So you can.
So this is supposed to be served cold, right?
Mm,
We talked
mhm.
about this. They say soba.
I added a little bit of plum paste
Yeah.
inside.
Can you taste it?
Yeah.
How's it?
It's really nice. Good
Okay.
match onto the, especially with the shiso leaf with the ume.
Yeah, take a look at this. Wow.
Maybe for you, or maybe wasabi soy sauce is maybe
A little stronger
better,
flavor.
yeah. This is very light, very light flavor. It's supposed to be the dipping sauce for the noodle.
Mm.
So, of course, you can add the wasabi into this sauce also.
Mm. I love the flavors. Super light. Really, really light tasting. That's really what I appreciate of this dish. Salmon, of course, you know, what can you say about Bakkafrost salmon? What gives it the most of the texture and the flavor that pops out to me is the oba. Very refreshing. So this one served kind of chilled with dipping sauce. It's really, really good. You know? Really, really good. When you bite it, just everything just kind of breaks apart. Everything's soft. Soba noodles are very soft. And again, even the salmon, of course, is soft, but you get down to the oba and let me tell you, wow, the flavor just pops.
You know, only cold noodle sell, and a little bit difficult to pick up the noodle, right, for you. So, but if you wrap it up with the seaweed or like this,
This is
more
for,
easy to eat, right?
for beginners soba experience. Here, I love this.
You like it?
Very good. Very different, but I really enjoy it. Light, refreshing taste. Bakkafrost salmon just works perfectly with everything. Wow. Well, you know, it's going to be hard to do this one, but if you can't try this at home, please do. You would try a flavor you haven't tried before. And the presentation was absolutely stunning. Hiro, thank you so much again.
Thank you very much. 皆さん、こんにちは。寺田寿司道場の寺田です。 今回ですね、日本のサブタイトルを入れてですね、新しいチャンネルがスタートしました。オリジナルのチャンネルはダリアリーズ・オブ・アマスター・寿司シェフと言いますね。日本のね、サブタイトルを入れてですね、日本の皆さんに楽しんでもらいたいと思いまして、このチャンネルを始めました。どうぞご覧ください。Today I have a great news. Japanese subtitle version channel is start. The name is Terada Sushi Dojo. It's in the kanji. Of course, you guys cannot read it, but a new channel. It's already started. Please watch it. So every video at the beginning, I am speaking in Japanese, a special introduction there. So something new. In the future, a lot of videos coming. Also, Japanese special version of the video also coming too. So please stay tuned. More subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time.